back to the Clove Technology YouTube channel. Today we'll be looking at the Doogee N30. You might not have heard of this brand yet, but we'll tell you all about it and give you a chance to win one of your very own. Head over to our Facebook now to enter our competition. In this video, we are continuing with the budget smartphone theme, and today we'll be looking at a brand that you might not have heard of. The phone we will be reviewing is from a brand called Doogee. On our Instagram poll, 62% of you said you'd never heard of this brand before, so we'll tell you all about it. This model is the Doogee N30 and is available for about £150. The brand Doogee describe themselves as a world-leading rugged phone brand who are growing in the global market in full power. Doogee have now started releasing budget smartphones and other smart accessories such as watches. Doogee produces very affordable and feature-rich smartphones, and we're about to take a look at one today. Let's start with what's in the box. The N30 comes back with an EU plug, a USB Type-C cable, a transparent case, a SIM tray pin, a user manual and a warranty card. I actually love that it comes with a case. This is pretty rare to see with other phones. The colour we have here is the black, but it's also available in blue, white and green. So let's look at the phone itself. The display measures 6.55 inches that maxes out at 720p. A 3mm headphone jack can be found at the top and a charging port at the bottom. On the back of the phone there is a handy fingerprint scanner and a full camera setup. To look at, this phone is glossy and a really nice colour. However, it looks like it could scratch quite easily, so I'm glad that it comes with a case. The N30 is quite a big phone and I occasionally found it hard to use one-handed. However, I do appreciate the large screen when it comes to social media and watching videos. The device has an 8.9mm slim body and weighs 190 grams. I would also say that for a budget phone, the 720p display does a good enough job. Surprisingly, for a budget smartphone, the Doogee N30 is equipped with a 4500 mAh battery, which means you can easily get through a full day of use with this phone without having to recharge, even when using it for multiple apps and taking photos. As seen previously, the Doogee N30 has a setup of 4 cameras on the rear of the phone. Yes, they make the phone look impressive, but do they create impressive photos? I'm not so sure. The cameras consist of a main 16MP camera, an 8MP ultra-wide lens and a dual 2MP shooters. The 16MP main camera is pretty great for this budget device. It captures the colours and is pretty detailed as shown here. The 8MP is also not too bad. However, when it comes to the 2MP cameras, they're barely worth having as the photos do not offer much detail or clarity. The selfie camera is average but acceptable and can take alright photos even in low light settings. The Doogee N30 operates on Android 10, which is good news, and the processor is octa-core MediaTek Helio A25. This device is not extremely fast with the best performance but rather mid-range, which is what the price conveys. I had no problem using day-to-day apps, but when it comes to gaming it is a lot slower. The N30 has 4GB of RAM and 280GB of storage, which can be expanded with a micro SD card. To summarise, this Doogee N30 model is acceptable for its price. It is a mid-range smartphone that I recommend buying if you are interested in trying the new brand. It looks sleek and modern and I appreciate the large screen for media uses. Thank you for watching and good luck if you're going to enter our Easter competition to win one of your very own. Don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter.